My son is not home. Let's listen for the retired man. Okay, this is latest little groceries from Timbaro Plaza. There's some pork, chicken. There's some ice cream here, velvet. There's some vegetables, tofu, taro, radish cake, okay? Chinese cake here. So you need to fry in order for you to eat. Some vegetable and fruits, some ham, toki, sa toki, Korean rice cake stick, okay? Stick type, okay? And there's some my hair colorant, and then have some siomai, bread, okay? Enjoy folks at itong Black for the World of Singapore. Abilisin po pay for this grocery. It's like 100 something, okay? Enjoy atong Black for the World of Singapore. Our family, little groceries. August 6, 2026. Let's listen for the retired. Enjoy folks, Singapore. Atong Black for the World Cup of Singapore.